Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. Why, we are in the middle of the month of October, and we are continuing our topic of the month. Victoria, what do you have for our Monday compass?
Okay, so if you recall, last week I gave you a couple of ways of working with narrative distance using opposites. So we're going to continue down that road. And for this one, I won't tell you too much, but we're going to talk about the hydraulics or the movement of a story and other ways that you can manipulate getting that reader through at a faster or a slower pace. So we're going to continue down the road of moving that reader along, but always keeping control as the author. Kathleen?
Oh, what a wonderful tease. Well, as you know from last week, we are talking about the character trait of kindness. And last week, we talked about in particular how kindness goes beyond courtesy, which was our trait from last month. It actually becomes a little more effort. There's a cost there. Now, what we're going to do this week is we're going to break down the character profile diagram, and we're going to see what kindness looks like as it moves into the different character profile positions. So come on back tomorrow when we have our Tuesday map. See you then. Bye-bye.